All of these things would have to come down unless you cut it right here. If you were putting in M Performance exhaust or also an upgrade, BMW would cut it right here, and the same thing on the tractor marks here on the pipe here. So we're gonna cut just below the resonator, and we're gonna cut here, which is gonna separate these pipes out. We don't have to go through all the trouble of taking these cross braces out, which is going to be significantly easier. Okay, so I have a good tool called a hacksaw. Get a hacksaw, and with these marks, you can make a nice even cut through the pipes. Make sure to use eye protection. Don't get hot metal into your eye. It sucks. So I'm going to cut the pipes here, here, and here on both sides. I'm going to cut the pipes back here as if we were putting in M Performance exhaust here and here. And then this is all going to come down in sections, and it's going to be a lot easier and faster than if you actually had to take these crossbody braces off. All right, so go ahead and cut the pipes. All right, super easy. So now both of these are cut. As you can see, I've already fed one of the pipes out because it's cut back at the back box, just like I said, if you're putting in a different exhaust back box. So the only thing that's holding this upper section in place now is that hanger and that 13mm nut way up at the top. So what you can want to do is slide up, brace this end, hold it up, undo that nut, and then feed it back here towards the tail of the car. If you have that upper kind of V-band brace essentially loose, you'll just feed this off and it'll come right off, and you can feed it out from underneath the car. Go ahead and take these sections, go ahead and take it off. If you haven't loosened this mid-body hanger yet already, so go ahead. That's a 13mm nut here up at the top, and then this hanger comes off, and then you can feed this pipe out, and then we're gonna feed the back box off next. But go ahead and get caught up to there.